do. A new life is what we can acquire. The first step is to believe it's true. As we take our journey higher and higher. Come on, chevrah, light my fire. Come on, chevrah, light my fire. Stir my soul to go higher and higher. Well, we had a day of Shabbos peace. To bring it to the weak is what's required. For the Shekhinah gave us all new souls, so we may fly higher and higher.